New video is played inside a central Pennsylvania courtroom showing an unsteady, stumbling Penn State sophomore hours before he was found unconscious and later died. It was just one of the developments from today's preliminary hearing of 16 fraternity brothers charged in the death of Pledge Timothy Piazza. Eyewitness News reporter Greg Argos has the day's details from Bellefonte.
Thursday, the lead detective in this case testified there was surveillance video of the basement where 19-year-old Tim Piazza was found unconscious, and he believes that video was deleted on purpose. Tonight, the 16 defendants could face additional charges.
And that is something that just is unacceptable. If that tape was erased, then this cover-up is even larger than we ever had anticipated or expected or known about.
Tom Klein represents the parents of Tim Piazza, the 19-year-old who died after prosecutors say he participated in a booze-filled hazing event at a Penn State fraternity.
Tim and F. Piazza grieve every minute that they are in the courtroom for their son.
Piazza was found late in the morning on February 4th at the bottom of the basement stairs inside the Beta Theta Pi fraternity house. The lead detective for the State College Police Department testified Thursday he believes some of the 16 defendants may have purposefully deleted video from cameras which were in that area. Also played in court Thursday afternoon, new video of Piazza showing him stumbling through the great room of the home a few hours before his death. The video appears to show the pledge falling and hitting his head before standing up and collapsing on a nearby couch. 4 hours later, he was found unconscious.
If there were another critical point in time where intervention would have saved his life, we saw it today in this courtroom.
Now, attorneys for the 16 defendants argue their clients did not force Piazza to consume alcohol, and therefore they should not be held responsible for his death. The judge in this case could decide as soon as tomorrow whether or not to allow this trial to move forward. Reporting here in Central County, I'm Greg Argos, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.